everyone, in this video we are going to see the blood relationship questions. So blood relationship is the one of the verbal reasoning topic. So if we want to solve the questions before that, we must know the some of the words which is frequently used in the terms which is in the blood relationship questions. We have two side relationship. One is mother side relationship and in another one is father side relationship. Mother side relationship is defaultly known as maternal side relationship and father side is known as paternal side. So some of the words are siblings, spouse. What do you mean by siblings? Siblings means one child parent is known as siblings. Spouse, the pair, husband and wife is known as spouse. Okay. Now, nephew, niece. What do you mean by nephew? Nephew means our brothers or sisters, sons known as nephew. And niece means our brothers or sisters' daughter is known as niece. What do you mean by grandparents? We already know that grandparents is the parents of parents. Our parents of parents is known as grandparents. Cousins means uncle and aunt, sons or daughter is known as cousin. So these are some of the important words we want to know. And family tree. Every family has a tree format. That is, you can imagine yourself, you are here. And your son, your daughter and your brother or sister is known as siblings. And your brother or sister's son is nephew and your siblings, that is your sister or brother's daughter is known as niece, and your parents and your spouse, that is your spouse, here your spouse father and mother is known as father-in-law, mother-in-law, and your wife's brother is known as brother-in-law, and your wife's sister is known as sister-in-law, and your wife brothers and sisters is known as, that is your wife's uncle and auntie's sons is known as cousin and all. So you having parents and you have your parents of this parents is known as grandparents of you. You can imagine yourself. So according to this tree you will get better idea about this. Now your parents is known as grandparents and your parents of parents is known as great grandparents. This is the tree of first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. This is the fifth generation. Here parents, grandparents and great grandparents are here. So whenever we are having the problems in your blood relationship, you can draw the diagram like a tree. It will be helpful to get a answer quickly. Defaultly, the mother's side relationship is known as maternal side and father side relationship is known as paternal side. So depends upon it is mother side relationship means we have another name, and if it is father side relationship means we have another name for that. Okay, thank you for watching.